my sweeties, welcome back to my channel with Mommy Paulette. So today I'm going to talk to you about skincare. So as you all know, winter is around the corner, which for me personally means I get drier, ashier, and flaky skin, which I'm about that life. So this year I have a little secret weapon, which I'm going to share with you, and that is Lila Naturals. So Lila Naturals is a skincare line that is organic and has natural ingredients in their product. So if you want a more in-depth review, check out my blog post below. I talk about the brand and all the awesome products that they carry, which they carry face masks, lip balms, cleansing oils, all kinds of good stuff. So if you want to check them out, I will link the website below. And if you want to save 50% off, use LOLLIPOPCOUTUre. So today I want to talk to you about a specific product that they carry, which is their face butter. And just like the name says, butter, it will butter your face because it is full of all kinds of good stuff. It is full of essential oils and vitamin E and a lot of good stuff that is good for your skin. So this is actually a 2 ounce, and it is a 2 ounce jar, and it is $20. And I think it has a lot of product, which a little bit goes a long way. And this face butter is actually a 3-in-1, which means you can use it in 3 ways, which I'm going to show you how I use it as a moisturizer. After you cleanse your face and you apply your toner, you can use the face butter as a moisturizer. And just pick up your hygienic spatula, which they also offer, and just dab a pea size and warm it up with your hands and just apply it generously everywhere. And just let it absorb and it will moisturize. You can instantly feel your skin not tight, which is, you know, the feeling that you get when your skin is super dry. So that's how you use it as a moisturizer. And now you're ready and set and prepped for makeup, which you can skip one step, which is usually I apply primer. And you can use this as a face primer, which is good. So you skip the whole primer thing because you've already used Lila Natural Face Butter as your own primer. And if you want to use it as a face mask, then apply a much more generous amount and apply it all over your face and leave it on for 15 minutes and just relax and let it all absorb. And then you can just wash it off. Your skin will instantly feel hydrated and moisturized and soft. That's what makes it a 3-in-1, which is pretty awesome if you think about it. So now I want to talk to you about lips, because we all know our lips also tend to get drier. And if you're like me and you love to wear matte lipsticks, then you're going to love this because you are instantly going to feel your lips hydrated and moisturized. This is their peppermint butter. And look at this packaging. It is made out of recyclable material. And if you want more product, just pop it up and you will get a generous amount. And I think it's a good size. It is actually like a jumbo stick. And it is $12 and just smells so good, like you almost want to eat it. And it kind of reminds me of that Olive Garden little peppermint chocolate that they give you. Just want to eat it. Anyways, so just apply a good amount and it will definitely feel buttery and moisturized. And I generally like to use this in the morning, when I'm not wearing lipstick, or at night, especially at night, so that it can absorb while I sleep. You can find the Peppermint Lip Butter and also a lemon butter on their website. And you can purchase the duo or just, you know, individually. So if you've been looking for an organic skincare line, then go check out Lila Naturals. They carry all kinds of good stuff for your skin. And I really hope that this video has been helpful for you if you've been looking for a natural organic skincare line, or if you simply want a skincare routine for the winter. If you tend to get drier skin like me, then I hope that this video has been helpful for you. And if you like my video, please give it a big thumbs up. And make sure to hit that notification bell for future videos. And as my daughter says, a heart for you. Till next time.